Hello everyone and welcome to Texas Tech University's Project Lab 1 tutorial videos. I am one of the tutors for this course. My name is Daniel, and in this video I will be showing you how to download and install the Xilinx Vivado software. First, I put together a few pictures of rovers that students have made in the past, just to give you a little idea of what you're going to be dealing with this semester. Of course, these students have a different task of what you might have in this semester, but in the end you guys are all using the Basis 2, Basis 3 board and the Rover 5 chassis. So first I wanted to show you that there is a website for the Project Lab courses. This website can be easily found by googling TTU ECE Project Lab, clicking on this laboratories link. Here on this website there's a lot of information about the course, expectations, gives you guidance, tells you about the Gantt chart, the budget, gives you some project requirements. Here it gives you a lot of information about the report, and it even gives you a template and a starter report. It gives you the format of the whole report and gives you a template and a great place to start for your paper. So yeah, this website is great to get familiar with before the semester starts, just for you to be successful throughout the course. Okay, so to download the Xilinx Vivado, just Google Xilinx Vivado and click on this downloads link. Here to take you to the downloads page on Xilinx. The edition you want to download is this HLX 2016.3 or most recent HLX edition. And if you scroll down, you'll see the three different installer options. So this one's for Windows, this one's for Linux, and this one's for Apple. So click on the appropriate one for you. And once you've clicked on that, it'll make you want to sign in, but since you haven't registered with Xilinx yet, you're going to have to come over here and create an account. So create an account and register through Xilinx, and then make sure you use your TTU email, so that way they can verify that you're a student and give you your license accordingly. Once you have created your account, I would recommend going back to this downloads page and clicking on the appropriate installer option for you, so that you can come to the appropriate downloads window. So here you just have to update your information, hit next, and as soon as you hit next, the download will start for the selection you made on the previous window. Once the installer has downloaded, just click on it and it will extract the installer for you. Open up the installer window, gives you all this information, hit next, gives you more information, hit next, and here it needs you to enter your username, ID, and password that you just created on the Xilinx webpage for the download. Hit download and install now and hit next, and then click on all the I agrees for all the terms, conditions, and user agreements and hit next. Then click on Vivado HL Webpack and hit next. Here you have all the installer options, you can review those and hit next. Here's the destination directory, you can change that or stay with the default, hit next. And finally hit the install button. This will run the installer. This will take about 20 to 25 minutes. In the meantime, this would be a great time to go to the Xilinx webpage and review the videos that they have available for installation, licensing, and how to get started with Xilinx. So as you saw, I just googled Vivado Installation tutorial, clicked on this first link, and here you can find the 3 videos that have great information about installation, licensing, and how to get started with the Vivado Xilinx software in your Basis 3 board. It also gives you a link to a great example code for the Basis 3 board and great test code for the Basis 3 and Verilog and Xilinx. So just once your installer has completed, the next window you should see is this Vivado License Manager. Here just click on Get Free ISE Webpack and hit Connect Now. As soon as you hit Connect Now, it'll bring you to this product licensing webpage where you just scroll down to certificate-based licenses and you click on Vivado HL Webpack 2015 and earlier license. I know we just downloaded the 2016 version, but this license does work. So just click on this HL Webpack 2015 and earlier and generate node lock license. That'll open this window where you just verify that the license you chose is selected. Hit next. Here you just review that the correct license again is selected and hit next. And finally, you'll get this congratulations, you have received the email of the license. So go to your email and you will see this email. If you don't automatically see it in your inbox, check your junk email because sometimes it goes there. And download the attachment .lic file. Once you've downloaded that, copy it from your downloads and paste it inside your Xilinx folder, which can be found in your C drive, Windows C drive here. So open up the Xilinx folder and just paste it inside. Once you've done that, go back to the Vivado License Manager. I expanded it here so we can see better. Click on Load License and you will get these 2 options. Click on Copy License and you will get a browser window so that you can select the license that you just copied and pasted inside your Xilinx folder. Select it and press copy and it should say license successfully copied. Then go to view license status and it should look like this, except without all the red stuff. The red stuff is from previous versions of Xilinx that I've downloaded. But you should have the VWebpack, HLS, SDK, and Analyzer. If you have those, then you have successfully downloaded Xilinx Vivado and installed the license. So now you can close this, hit yes, and again, review these videos are a great resource to get you started, and those example codes are a great place to get started and to learn Vivado and to learn Verilog. So in the next videos I will show you how to make modules and use the Vivado in the Xilinx software.